Hello everyone, this is Lilian from Henan Lima Feed Machine Manufacturer. Today I'm going to introduce our pet food production line. If you want to make the pet food, firstly we will use the crusher, which also we call it grinder. We will grind all the materials into powder firstly, and then use this mixer. If you have some fresh meat, you can also grind them firstly and then put all the powdered materials and also the fresh meat into the mixer. Mix them evenly. If you want to add some additives, you can also add it into the mixer and mix them evenly. We will use the mixer for like a batch. Usually we will use 3 or 5 minutes for mixing them evenly. And then after mixing all the materials, we will use this extruder. We'll make the pet food. We have different shapes for the mold, like the heart mold and also like the flower and some other shapes mold for making different shapes feed pet food. After we use this extruder for get the pet food, we will use another one, dryer. After we get the pet food from the extruder, because we add some water into the materials and also have some other moisture materials into the formula, we will use the dryer to reduce the moisture. So this is the dryer. The dryer, we have different capacity to match different capacity extruder. After drying the pet feed, and we will use the seasoning machine to cook them, to add some oil or add some feed additives, so make the feed look more beautiful and fragrant, and will let the animals eat easily. So this is the seasoning machine. Okay, so those are our production line for the pet food process. So if you make the pet food, usually we will use grinder, mixer, extruder, and dryer, and also the seasoning machine for the whole set. If you are interested of our feed equipment, please contact us freely. Thank you.